Hello, my name is Nageswar Rao Enduga. I am a student of Mechanical Engineering Department of MCKVIE. Today, I am very much glad that I choose MCKVIE over all other colleges because the Mechanical Engineering Department of MCKVIE is one of the best. The labs here are extremely well equipped with modern technologies and state-of-the-art facilities, starting from basic lathe machine to modern 3D printing technologies. And talking about our professors, they are the best. They have guided us in all the possible ways, starting from providing basic knowledge in the first year to guiding us how to crack interviews in our final years. I am very much thankful to all of them. And talking about my placements, I got placed in 4 top-notch companies that are TCS, Cognizant, Pinnacle and Borosil Renewables. And this is a very proud moment for myself, my family members and my friends. And I am a proud MCKVian.